In this video, we are going to see how you can upload and scan the images with Copilot. So what we'll do is we will simply upload an image in Copilot and ask it to give some information about it. And let's see how it works. So let's say if I click on add image from here and click on upload from this device. And let's actually test this one. I'll upload this and let's write what this image is about. Let's see what information does it provide. So it's analyzing the image here and you can see all the details about it. And it says the image you uploaded depicts a stylized illustration of the red Honda car with the large wings. The car is soaring through the sky. So all of these details are interesting. And it also depicts that this images could be interesting or relevant for discussions about imaginative and conceptual automotive design, or the artistic expression of the combining elements of the fantasy with real life or real world objects. So that's awesome, guys. We can also try some Google images now. Let's write Miracle Garden Dubai and let's use some of the images from here. Let's say this one. And we are testing it, how it identifies this image. Let's upload this and I want to see whether it identifies that it's a miracle garden in Dubai or not. Where is this place? I want to write. Oh my God. It identified it that this is Dubai Miracle Garden and all the information about it. That is amazing, guys. So guys, this is how you can upload any images in Copilot and you can easily find the source of it or some more information about it. So that's very interesting feature. You can just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.